you've ever hoisted your Mazda RX-8 engine out of the engine bay, you'll know that the only way to get it out is to remove the intake manifolds, the air conditioning compressor, the oil lines, as well as the shift lever. One of the big issues, especially with the intake manifolds, is that if you drop anything into that intake manifold, you're going to be taking a lot more of your engine apart. We at TST have come up with a solution. We're streamlining the RX-8 engine and transmission pool with a custom blank-off kit that seals out dust, prevents hardware from falling into the manifolds, and keeps every nut and bolt organized so that nothing gets lost.
So TST has made this really cool blank-off kit. You can see the two intake manifolds over there, our oil filler. So another very cool little item that TST has in their blank-off kits are these little banjo bolt replacements. Now they're sealed, and it allows you to put your banjo bolt back in again with this little spacer in place, which prevents dirt from going into your oil system. So both there and there we've been able to put those on. So we're about to take off this old AC compressor over here. Now TST make these awesome little blank-off blocks that you can remove the hoses and then pull the seals off and reuse the seals, and that seals your AC condensing unit. Pretty great just to get those, make sure that nothing gets into your AC unit while you're busy changing out your engine. As well as our transmission gear shifter over there. And with those in place, this engine is now sealed up, so we won't get any dust in while we're busy either taking it out or putting it back into our RX-8.